James Oglethorpe, Chapter 3. Building Savannah. Oglethorpe and 114 colonists set sail for Georgia to start their new colony. The trip took about 3 months. Oglethorpe gave people on the ship his food. He gave them things to do to keep them from getting bored. He took care of sick passengers. The ship landed in Georgia in February of 1733. Oglethorpe chose a place along the Savannah River for a settlement. Here is a picture. The picture says Oglethorpe met with Creek Indians on the shores of Georgia. Here's Oglethorpe and the settlers. Here are the Creek Indians that he met. Oglethorpe marked out 4 sections for a town. He decided where buildings and streets would go. Colonists cut down trees. They used the wood from the trees to build houses. The settlement was called Savannah. By June, it had 9 houses, a water well, a lighthouse, and a blacksmith shop. Oglethorpe slept in a tent so that others could sleep in houses. Here is a drawing of the town that Oglethorpe created. The caption says, Savannah was built near the Savannah River. Here's the Savannah River right here. Colonists cut down trees to build the settlement. So you can see along the line right here that they cut out these trees in order to create this settlement. The Yamacraw Creek lived near Savannah. Tamachichi was the chief of the Yamacraw Creek. He did not speak English. Here's a picture right here of Tamachichi. A woman named Mary Musgrove owned a trading post in the area. She spoke the English and Creek languages. She helped Tamachichi and Oglethorpe talk to each other. Oglethorpe and Tamachichi became good friends. Here is a picture of Mary Musgrove. Later, Oglethorpe met with 50 more Creek leaders. They agreed that colonists could build settlements in Georgia. Oglethorpe treated Georgia Indians with respect. He was honest when he traded with them. This civility won him the friendship of the Creek and other Georgia Indians. Here's a drawing of Musgrove, who helped Oglethorpe speak to Tamachichi.